Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back in the topic statistics, and this is the last session I can say on the based on the stats. So we'll be discussing all the formula in this session, and one more new formula we'll be discussing, which is very the question on based on that is very rarely asked. That is fifth one. You can check that. First one is mean. We have checked the mean with the two methods. One is direct method and second is assumed mean method. So summation fi xi upon summation fi and a plus summation fi di upon summation fi is a formula for mean. You have to choose a from xi column, not from fi column. This is the common mistake that what I found students doing, that choosing a from fi column. Okay, by mistake it happens, but that's the reason it is written here on the formula sheet itself, that choose a from xi. What is di? Di is xi minus a, and xi is upper limit plus lower limit upon 2, which is called as a class mark as well. Remember, it is called as a class mark. Then second thing we have checked for CF, cumulative frequency table. So less than the upper limit and the first remain same. What is it? You know that this is a short form to remember how to prepare the less than type CF table, and more than type CF table, more than the lower limit and last remains same. So that you have to understand. When it comes to addition, it is supposed to be zigzag addition, and when it comes to subtraction, consecutive subtraction. So CF table to FDT and FDT to CF table, both you must able to do. Median, the formula is very clear, L plus N by 2 minus CFP. When we say that, we have to say CFP, but when you write it, you write it CF only upon F into H. So you know that all that how to find. Okay, median class, how to find the first larger value than N by 2 in CF. You get the median class, right? Median, remember, always lie between the median class. Mode. I hope you have solved or you have completed the question based on mode. It's a very simple part, only to know the formula and only to know the values, and it is easy to calculate as well. So mode, you must have understood that. Okay, over there also you need modal class, but it is easy to find out modal class because the maximum frequency, the highest frequency can be considered as a modal class. That class will be considered as modal class. कोई table we will draw करने की जरूरत नहीं, directly value लिखो, formula लिखो, values लिखो and get the answer done. So mode also we understood, right? And mode as well lie between the modal class, remember. And last formula is nothing but the relation between median, mean and mode. All the three central tendencies. Dekho, median, mean and mode are called as central tendencies of the data. That means how the data is behaving. To analyze data, we need central tendencies of the data, and that is mean, median and mode. And there is a typical relation between these three that is called as empirical formula. This formula is known as empirical formula. Remember that. Okay. So you can check the formula and the coefficient 3, 2 and 1. Okay. It is in ascending order 3, 2, 1. Right. Equal to sign and plus sign. That what you have to remember. So somehow try to remember this formula. There's a trick to remember this as well, but that I don't think we need it. It's very simple. 3 median is equals to 2 mean plus mode. Note down this formula sheet on the paper or in the notebook. Fine. How can we use this last formula? Okay, how to use it? तो एक question मैं आपको देता हूँ. If mean of the data is 28.3 and median is 30, find mode. If it is asked in this way, then how will you find out? So there is a question of this category where two values are given, you have to find the third one. So you can use the formula 3 median is equals to 2 mean plus mode. So 3 median मतलब 3 into 30 plus 2 into 28.3 plus mode. So 3 into 30 is 90. 2 into is 56.6. Right? And shifting this 56.6 the other side, I get to mode. -90 minus 56.6, and the answer is there. 90.0 minus 56.6. 4, 1 carry is 3, 1 carry and 33.4. The answer 33.4 is nothing but the mode. Done? Clear? Done. Got it. So very simple. It's easy, and the relation is also very interesting. There can be the question asked that find out the relation or give the relation between mean, median, and mode, and you may not find the same equation how it is there. It can be in a different manner, like mode is equals to 3 median minus 2 mean or something like that. Anyhow it can be. So that also you need to know. That's it. तो अपना ये टॉपिक यहाँ पे ख़त्म हो जाता है. बट बिफोर वी पुट एन एंड टू द टॉपिक आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू दैट आई एम सेंडिंग अ PDF, one more PDF of based on the statistics, because I know that I can understand that how severe the topic is and how much practice is required for this topic. So that's the reason, or considering that, I have given a revision sheet on it. If you complete that, your revision for PT2 is done for the statistics topic. Okay, already we have finished the revision for other topic in terms of PT1. तो ये अगर आप लोग complete कर दोगे, by the way, then आपका stat भी क्या हो जाएगा, complete हो जाएगा. Soon we are going to start with the AP, but before that I would like to go for 2 topics of science. So what I'm planning now, I'm preparing the video of science today itself. I'll be sending it, and tomorrow we're going to start the AP. So science and mathematics will go hand in hand after this. Okay, so that we will be able to complete all the things on time. फाइन. सो आपका मैथ्स का एक ही टॉपिक रह गया इन टर्म्स ऑफ PT2, वो इजीली कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. बहुत छोटा है, बहुत सिंपल है, बहुत ईजी है. दैट इज AP, अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. ठीक है. लेकिन साइंस के टू टॉपिक्स आर लेफ्ट, राइट. वन स्मॉल एंड वन लार्ज. आई थिंक मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल इज क्वाइट बिग टॉपिक. तो कंप्लीट कर देंगे क्विकली. ओके, डोंट वरी. बट आई वॉन्ट यू टू complete your revision of statistics. Okay, I'm sending a PDF to you. Okay, a worksheet kind of thing. Answers are there on it, so it becomes easy for you to revise as well as verify your answers. So that's it. आज का वीडियो बहुत छोटा है, बहुत सिंपल है, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे रुक जाते हैं. मुझे कोई बहुत वियर्ड लग रहा है, एक 5-7-8 मिनट का ही वीडियो बन रहा है, तो वियर्ड लग रहा है, बट ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. आज के दिन के लिए इतना ही था. बाय बाय. सी यू टुमारो.